Hey Powermaster, in this video we were going over this small TNT little advertisement, if you would say that. I got the bigger one on the way, so don't worry. Alright, so $10 off of any purchase, $50 or more, not bad. More coupons on the back, of course. You got some ground balloons for $1, not bad. Some TNT strip crackers $1, not bad at all. Some poppets. Into the night. I think that's a Skyliner or something. Some morning glories, smoke balls, artillery shells, small ones, some decent sized ones, a little 200 gram repeaters. There's 500 gram repeaters over here. Maybe, I don't know. There's not. I don't know. Yeah, they're 500 gram. It says right there. All of them say that. Alright, some assortments. If you buy an assortment, you get this free. Don't forget, they got glows, views. Can't pass that up. Oh. Another, if you buy the assortment, you get this. Just some package deals, I guess. Not bad at all. Purple rain, Roman candles, sparklers, snakes. Oh, screaming snakes. Those are rockets. More Roman candles. No dead guarantee. 500 gram finales. Ooh, that's a big one, I guess. It's probably just an optical illusion. They accept all of these major credit cards. Reloadables. Some canisters, it looks like. I don't know what those are. Oh, probably canisters. Next level canisters. Or big ball shell packs. The National Fire Safety Alliance newsletter. Huh. Observe all local fire laws. Use common sense, guys. Ooh, just more stuff. Just say no. What else? Oh yeah. Let's say lighting. Oh my god. Man's best friend. We all know what that is. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, the coupon's on the back. $10. Oh, there's a coupon. Sorry. Ooh, look. American Pride giveaway. Enter chance to win American Pride. Not too bad. Alright. Sorry for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. More catalogs on the way, of course. I got a special one just for you guys. I might do that to end of July, maybe mid-July, I don't know, whenever I have time. I usually do my stash video the weekend, like Sunday after 4th of July or Monday. Just some updates. A lot more demos coming from the assortment. Maybe some Excalibur videos coming up. Just some random. I probably won't show them all off. I'm just gonna do some like various ones. So I changed the plan on that. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and bye.